Alrighty guys, Chris from Miles Canopies and 4x4 back here again. What have we got today? We have a PX2, I want to say, for PX3 Ford Ranger. What are we going to do today? We're going to get one of our aluminium canopies fitted. It's going to have central locking fitted to the canopy as well, and we're going to make this tailgate central locking as well. So we have a central locking extravaganza. Funny word. Anyway, planned for you guys today. Other than that, ain't nothing to it but to do it. So we may as well get right to it.
Work hard, play harder, I'm in no living good, but keep acting like it's nothing, burn like firewood. Keep that flame inside me, hustling, doing as I should. It was days that I was fumbling, always knew I could. Now the cash, it keeps on coming. Back to back, go for the wake up, all I know is day to day, I get it. Had a son, now he mine. Sit and look at losses like a blessing in disguise. Think about times I almost died. I had angels by my side. Now it's back to back, I'm off the wake up, get it off the go inside to save the money strapped. I love to grab it. You can take it from me, cause I only need my time. Getting old, I'm doing fine. Doing me and I survive. Big dreams, big moves. I was made for this. Small kids, small town. Never changed a bit. Long roads, cold nights. I had to pray for this. Stayed down, came up. Never played with this. Vision clear now that I came out the darkness. I swear if I never made no would've left me broken hearted. But it's big hustling, big spending. Work hard, play harder, I'm in overdrive. Cool breeze, doze down. Turn up the stereo. Big name, small town. They saying there he goes. You move too fast for me. On my own frequency. When I do the work, it talks. Don't even need to speak. This is not no mystery. So I just let it be. Took my bae to Tennessee, cause she the 10 I see. No one else is next to me. That's been a flex for me. What's meant to be is meant to be. Not into forcing things. The world been testing me. The world been stressing me. God told me let it go, so he could let me breathe. Come up with melodies. It gives me checks and things. Now I got things to check. So why you checking me? Big dreams, big moves. I was made for this. Small kids, small town. Never changed a bit. Long roads, cold nights. I had to pray for this. Stayed down, came up. Never played with this. Vision clear now that I came out the darkness. I swear if I never made no would've left me broken hearted. But it's big hustling, big spending. Work hard, play harder, I'm in overdrive. Say what? Look.
AMG, Bentley truck, trapping out the ghost. 7-figure payment, time is money, gotta go. Addicted to the game, the K for the show. Met her at the party, she was playing with a big dog, I could get the highs and the lows. 5-star suite, she ain't never going home. New Kelly Birkin, red bottoms on her soul. Maybach Virgil, only 150 sold. Diamonds in my chain, go blind when they blink. Diamonds in my chain, go blind when they blink. Diamonds in my chain, go blind when they blink. Diamonds in my chain, diamonds in my chain. Get out my face. Nacho's back, now you rockin' a Bronny jersey. I been seeing them sirens when we stop for no chase, we gon' go for a chase or something. More money, more problems, so give me the money, cause you know I'm a problem solver. I do what I want, and you do what you can't, little I'm by the box. Take a look at my drip chat, take a look at the crib, drip chat. Take a look at the whip, drip chat. Take a look at the chain, drip chat. Look, I stayed up with G, I'm rockin' no Gucci, I'm 27 like it's the clock. I got the keys in my gonna drive it, only should be spinning the block.
Diamonds in my chain, go blind when they blink. Diamonds in my chain, go blind when they blink. Diamonds in my chain, go blind when they blink. Diamonds in my chain, diamonds in my chain.
Froze a bit, ice on my chain. All the more got a plain Jane. The money driving insane. I made my first meal before the fame. Candy paint dripping, got me moving like a pimp. Cashed out straight, got it from the dealership. The BOA, TD Tandy, Chevy or the Chase. Trap, at the shoebox before the bank.
Diamonds in my chain, go blind when they blink. Diamonds in my chain, go blind when they blink. Diamonds in my chain, go blind when they blink. Diamonds in my chain, diamonds in my chain.
AMG, Bentley truck, trapping out the ghost. 7-figure payment, time is money, gotta go. Addicted to the game. came for the show. Met her at the party, she was playing with her.
Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed the fitting process of getting the tailgate central locking fitted on this Ranger. I know we didn't focus too much on the canopy side of it, but we've got plenty of videos on our canopy fittings as well. While we're at it, you may as well subscribe. We've got a lot more fitting videos in the pipeline. Hit the notification bell, you know what to do. While we're at it, we'll just go through the operation of it as well. That's another great question. Give me 2 seconds, I'll be right back with the key. Back again, got the critical ingredient. We'll go ahead and unlock it. First and foremost, you can see the central locking on the tailgate has now, sorry, the tailgate of the canopy, or the rear door of the canopy has now activated. And then also you've got now the central locking on the tailgate rocking and rolling as well. So very much so a central locking extravaganza. So we'll go ahead, lock, unlock. Can't beat that convenience. If you want to grab one for yourself, we've got tailgate central locking kits available for basically all the utes rolling around today. You can go on onscanopies.com.au to grab one for yourself at a lovely, lovely price. Have a look at the videos that we've got up to look through on how to fit them. We've got the central locking available for the canopies as well. Of course, those ones are a generic system that fits all the steel and aluminium canopies that we do. Other than that, it's Chris, and I'll see you guys on the next one.